In this video, we will show you an effective way to propagate cacti from seeds. Many years of experience allow us to grow tens of thousands of cacti in excellent condition over the years. The technology of sowing cactus seeds will be shown using Echinocactus grusoni seeds. For sowing, we need a soil mixture. It differs from the soil mixture for planting cacti in composition and particle size. In the pot on the right is the planting mix. In the pot on the left is the mixture for seeds. It is highly desirable if it is black. The black color of the soil inhibits the development of agar among the seeds and seedlings. The mixture consists of components with a particle size of up to 3 mm. In the mixture for planting, components are used with the larger size. The composition of the soil mix that we use: 1 part of sand, 2 parts of leaf humus, 1 part of charcoal. The mixture should be uniform. Before sowing, it should be sterilized. We usually sterilize it by steam. The sowing container should be small. In our case, the volume is 100 ml. We moisten the soil mixture to a state of maximum saturation with water. The surface of the potting mix after moistening should be 6 to 7 mm below the edge of the pot. The seeds should be clean and free from signs of disease. In this form, we provide the following care conditions for sowing. Temperature: 25 to 35 degrees Celsius. For each type of cacti, the germination temperature range is individual. Lighting: diffused sunlight 80%. Direct sunlight is destructive. Lighting duration: not less than 12 hours. Airing: once a day. If the germination temperature of cacti, for example Rebutia, is below 12 degrees Celsius, it is necessary to air it several times a day, in the morning and in the evening. The germination period for each species is different. In some species, the seeds germinate at the same time. In other species, the germination is stretched out over time. If the soil mixture was moistened correctly, the seeds do not need watering. 3 weeks after the start of seed germination, we plant the seedlings. The spacing between plants is approximately 2 diameters. For the first few weeks, the seedlings are kept in the conditions which were given above, or close to them. Seedlings of the Parodia nivosa cactus 2 months after planting. For some species, or to increase the percentage of seed germination, pre-seed preparation is carried out before sowing. You can find an example of such a technology in the upper right corner of the video right now. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and put your thumbs up under this video if you liked it. I wish you the best of luck and see you in the next episode.